Hello.
It's Uptown Swing.
Level 3.
Tempo plus.
This is Brian.
And Val's back.
I'm back.
All right. We did a little review of forward swing outs, and then as a exercise, we landed on this feeling that is also totally a real move.
Yeah.
It's a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. You can just do this a billion times and then go on out.
And we talked about how followers, you don't just run forward on that 5, 6. Yeah. We step together. And leaders, we talked about how you are actually stepping. You're not just using your arms, you are moving your center with that step. That makes it real.
Yeah. And then we did a little rhythm thing. Let's show it this way. This
Solo.
5, 6, 7, 8, rock, step, boop, bop, dee, da.
Yeah. And we did an enclosed position where we talked about leaders just do it.
Commit. It's from a Charleston birthday. Rock, step, kick, a double kick. Rock, step, boop, bop, bee, bop. Hey. Ha. Hey. Hey.
And you could also do it from open. Can you do a side pass? So
Yeah,
I don't just do it.
I'm gonna do 2.
Yeah.
Hey. Woo, ba dee, da dee, ga da ba doo. Hey. Ha. Boom, ba, ah. Rock, step, boom.
And that's what we did.